have prepared a few vows. Please, Scott.
Ruthie, I feel very honored and fortunate to be standing here with you today, about to make you my wife. Although I have made many mistakes in my life, I feel very blessed that each and every one of those missteps led me to finding you.
When I think something isn't achievable, you challenge me to think it is. And when we've argued, we've always grown from them to become better versions of ourselves. I can't vow that every day of our marriage will be perfect, but I can vow that I'll always give you my best.
You fell in love by chance, but you're here today because you're making a choice. You both are choosing each other. You've chosen to be with someone who enhances you, who makes you think, makes you smile, and makes every day brighter. You're about to make promises to each other you intend to keep. You're going to vow to take care of each other, to stand up for one another, and find happiness in the other. Love is like that. It comes from humble beginnings, and through a combination of serendipity and effort, and perfect things shape into something extraordinary. It's the process of making something beautiful where there was once nothing at all. As you look at these rings over the years, I hope you remember you've created something invaluable. And just as I know you'll protect these rings, I'm confident you'll protect the commitment you've made to each other today. Can we please have the rings? Scott, please repeat after me.
With this ring, I am giving you my promise to always love you, cherish you, honor you, and comfort you. I promise that I will love you and keep my heart open to you all of the days of my life.
With this ring, I am giving you my promise
To always love you,
to always love you,
cherish you,
cherish you,
honor you,
honor you,
and comfort you.
and comfort you.
I promise that I will love you,
I promise that I will love you
and keep my heart open to you
and keep my heart open to you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
I would now like to call up Megan for the glass stopping ceremony.
Scott, please go ahead.
I hope I haven't talked too long because this is a celebration. Every celebration needs a toast. So to wrap this up, before we all head to the reception for a delicious dinner and lots of dancing, I'll ask you to raise your hearts to Scott and Ruth as we celebrate their love. May your marriage bring you all the exquisite excitements a marriage should bring. May you need one another, but not out of weakness. May you want one another, but not out of lack. May you look for things to praise, often say I love you, and take no notice of small faults. May you have happiness, and may you find it making one another happy. May you have love, and may you find it loving each other. Cheers. Scott, you may kiss your bride. Life Church in the great state of California, I now pronounce you Mr. and Mrs. Scott Mosier. One more time, let's hear it for that. and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, please keep it going for Helen and Jason.
I'm honored to be here with you today, celebrating tonight. There's no other place I'd rather be in the world.
Finally, I hope you all enjoyed this party, and thank you very much.
Vivian, Kevin, Tarek, Denise, Venus, Dan, Katie, Elton for making the long flight from Canada. And Debbie flying in from Texas. John,